Faucet trends for 2019 include an exciting mix of the past, present, and future. We've examined the landscape, and in this video, we put together a list of 4 faucet trends to consider for 2019 and beyond. B finishes. While many people still seek black matte faucet finishes, bronze and brass are leading the pack. And in case you're wondering, yes, apparently you're not allowed to consider a finish that does not begin with the letter B. Coordination is key. You've probably seen the commercials. A couple finds a beautiful faucet and then asks an architect to build a home around it. It's a bit of a stretch for sure, but no one is overlooking faucets anymore when considering the design of the room in which it will reside. Floors and walls are expected to work well with the space's hardware, be it bronze, brass, chrome, or any other finish. Smarter faucets too. It isn't enough that our toilets may be one day smarter than us. Now faucets are getting in on the act. The water conservation benefits here are a good enough reason to consider a smart faucet though. Calculate how much water you waste turning on the water in the sink, adjusting it to a particular temperature if required, washing your hands, and then turning the water off. Now imagine how much water you'd be able to save if the faucet detected your hands, turned on at a preset temperature, and then turned off immediately when you pull your hands away. Get one of these and you might receive a thank you card from a fish. Looks matter. Cool never goes out of style. That may be why non-traditional but nevertheless cool faucet styles are meriting second looks. Among them, waterfall faucets, exemplified by a scoop-like spout, and wall-mounted faucets. The latter is part of a lead toward a more industrial look gaining favor. Also gaining favor are finishes resistant to smudges and spots. Just the beginning. Regardless of which trend intrigues you the most, odds are it'll be one of the least expensive factors if your goal for the year is a serious remodeling project. Planning on a kitchen remodel? The national average is at around $23,000. Maybe your big project this year is the bathroom remodel. The national average for that one is about $10,000. If those numbers sound high, here's one that'll really hit you. The home remodeling price tag for just the first quarter of the year is expected to come in at nearly $340 billion. Since your annual income is likely less than the national GDP of most countries, be sure to shop around for the faucet that best meets yours and your family's needs. Then contact Waterwork Plumbing for any help you need installing it or for any other plumbing support. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.